Hey guys, it's your boy Hey Crispin, and today, it's a beautiful day in Belgium, in Brussels, and for the first time I'm having Mexican meal. It's actually burritos. It's over there, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, it's called donkey. Yeah, it's called donkey, and yes. I'm here with Manuela, obviously. She brought me here, so I'm trying to go test the food for the first time, and I think I'm gonna lie because the way he was putting all this, like the ingredient, like the condiments, into the
Did
food.
you get the spiciest sauce?
I swear I got a spicy
Okay.
sauce, so I'm still gonna be very spicy. And it's my first time here actually, and I really love the place. And look around, it's very beautiful, There's a lot of bars here to drink, so we will see.
Yeah, there's bars, and then there's like a famous French fry place that people go to, but it looks like it's closed.
So guys, if in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's the Hey Crispin 360, and this is the donkeys, of course, the donkey booty, I'm just kidding. So yeah, we are going to be trying this, and whatever it goes through, let me just take my jacket off first, and then Manuela is my camera woman today. So we're going to be trying this for the first time, and then if it goes well, I'm going to give a good review, okay? So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hey Manuela, what's up?
Hi, happy Easter everybody.
And why did you choose this place actually?
Because I really love like Mexican cuisine, like Mexican food, and I've been missing it, so I haven't been to Donkey in a while, and I was like, why not?
Okay, let's now march into our... So guys, as you can see, we're about to, with Manuela over there, we're about to get into the food and then talk business later, okay? So catch me on the flip side, okay? So I'm gonna be opening my burrito now, and let's see. Oh wait. Oh my god. So I went for the wheat because I'm on I don't do the white bread thing, so I like to try the wheat, and it looks very fluffy. Oh my god, it's so big, Look, guys, see how it is? It's a burrito. How do I even hold this? Oh my god.
Oh, yours is filling out. It's
Okay.
easy. You that means yours was stuffed.
Sorry, I'm fully stuffed, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
So you hold it how I was holding it. You put you don't know the proper techniques of holding a burrito. One hand on the bottom there, right?
Like this?
No. You can. I guess you can keep it in the aluminum if you want, but no
I
one
love
really
this
keeps
way.
it in the aluminum. But you just hold one hand at the bottom.
It's so big, look. Guys, I'm so food orgasm right now,
Alright.
Guys, go.
So Crispin, how was the food?
The food was the bomb, Like the burrito was very good, and it was filling, like I said earlier on. It's very, very heavy. So if you're planning to take this as a snack, I would advise you not to take it as a snack because it's not more of a snack. It's more like a full course meal, So guys, obviously saw it. It was very big, and I really enjoyed it, and it's making me feel very Spanish right now. Like I speak Spanish now. So, hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi amor, sí. Buenas noches. Adiós. Bye.